think the biggest thought that I would share for just entrepreneurs and people in general that are trying to kind of get that entrepreneurial mentality or culture or community going stronger is don't ever be scared to ask questions or answer questions, right? I think too many people, when they have ideas, they're scared to reach out. They're scared to ask people for help. They're scared to ask questions. And no one could do this on their own. It's too damn hard, right? You need a community. You need people supporting you. And the best way to do that is to just reach out and ask, right? And when people ask you, it's to answer and not think about, again, what I can get out of it, but think about how I can help them. Because the more people you help, the more help you're going to get in return. It just happens that way. So the real lesson from my perspective, the real reason that I love what I'm doing right now is I'm in a community of people that are very open to support, to helping, to criticism, to positive criticism, to understanding that what they're doing is just a part of the overall community. And the more open and supportive they can be, the more beneficial and more successful the entire community can be.